Let's talk about icons. I love icons. Icons can be a great way to bring essential content to the point. They are a great attention grabber, and they help your visitors to find and scan content. Once you pay attention while browsing your favorite websites, you will find icons in different sizes, weights, and styles everywhere. They are a great visual tool to consistently identify content of a certain category. Done well, they can help users scanning your webpage to get a quick overview of the information. Icons on websites should support the user experience without drawing too much attention to them. They should support the information or action they stand with. The most important function icons play is to give users instructions or direction for what they should do next. As a visual cue that accompanies content, users will quickly know what to do and where to go. Website icons perform three main functions in design. They support the user interface, making it more visually appealing. They frame important information, and they break up content blocks, making copy more readable. Icons help to attract attention, understand the meaning, navigate the interface, save visual space, and make a connection with the user. The most successful use cases limit icons to buttons, sections, actions, and elements that need to be quickly glanceable or clickable. The visual element of the icon grabs attention, supports the user's understanding, and emphasizes the action. When choosing icons, the primary thing to remember is that the symbol you choose should help to communicate the message in the copy. It should also match the overall branding. Finally, avoid cluttering the page with too many icons. This will negatively affect the overall design. As a general rule, keep this in mind. Use icons where they make sense.